What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be checking out the Unity House Resort up in the Poconos. So this place right here was built around 1892 and abandoned in 1989. You can already look around, like so many things are like overgrown, like the trees and this court right here. Been here for a while now. As you can see, all around just log cabins where people would stay, but there's a little bit more of that around here. Just gonna take a look. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's overlooking a lake back there. So this place right here was pretty much for women union workers. I don't know for how long, but cool thing is JFK stayed here, as well as Eleanor Roosevelt. Right now we did just enter the theater, so this is gonna be pretty cool of a spot. The second floor right there is just all hanging down. Some parts are missing of the floor. The ceiling, look at that. You can see the catwalks from here. Don't stand right there.
What? Is it dripping?
Look up.
If you want us to leave, we'll just leave.
You gotta leave.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
We didn't realize it was private. We were just walking through
Well,
the
it's
woods.
posted all over the place out there.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Sorry.
This way. Should we go this way or this way? This way. Right now we're walking. This guy is leading us out. The sweet talker.
Why are you talking to him? You should have just been
now
like,
he's,
thanks, Santa.
no, now he's happy.
I don't think so.
Well,
Doesn't
he's
look
not.
like a happy
No,
person.
no, when he first started talking, he was
on the
pissed
phone.
off. He was pissed off on the phone. Just now, he said, "Have a happy holidays and stay safe. Don't let me catch you back here again."
That's true. Good
Like,
job, buddy.
I'm good at sweet talking
Good job.
people.
Guys, we just got busted. Oh man, but it went smoothly, I have to say. I'd rather it go smoothly than, I don't know, worst case scenario. But maybe I'm gonna try some. Maybe I might come back, fly the drone. I don't know. What happened? I was gonna get drone footage, but we camped overnight in one of the woods around here, and for some reason my drone batteries did not work. I don't know. Maybe it's the cold weather, and they were completely drained. Checked last week. It was completely filled. I don't know what's up with that. I should like double try. I don't know. Whatever. She said we were looking for the lost dog around here.
Lost dog. We decided to take in.
So I gotta say, we got really, really lucky. Don't come here. Guys, have a good one. Sorry about the video, it kind of got screwed up. Well, take it easy. I'll see you on the next adventure.